Hey guys, my Richard videos. Well, today what you see in front of you is I'm setting up a my own milling machine, the old affordable way, affordable drill press, and this jig here. Anyways, I got everything from Amazon, but when I put together, I found a problem. Something that some people may find if you get this kind of setup. Of course, to buy the right milling machine, guys, looking at between $1,000 to $3,000 for it's something that's decent anyway. Low end, about $800 depending where you are in the world. But anyways, this is the cheap setup to do it this way. This way I've learned how to do it. Um, See how it goes. I mean, it's only got about $300 into it, so it's not nothing too crazy. But here's something. If you're using this kind of setup, because this is a three-way, so it goes like this, and you tighten up here, and this moves here. So I should get a little bit kind of tight here, but anyways, this all moves, right? So I have to loosen it a little bit. Got a little bit too tight on there. But anyways, looking at the problem, I was looking at it and I was trying to think, what the hell's going on here? And this lever for tightening the vise was in the wrong end. This shaft here was on this side. So, I mean, how are you going to get at it, right? When it's conflicting with this base here, right? Base on the drill press. So, I think, what the hell? How am I going to do this? And I thought, well, frick. I mean, use your head, damn it. So, I drilled a couple quarter-inch bolts in here. There's a little plate here. This plate right here. You got to reverse it. So everything comes on this side, right? This would have been on the other side. See the bolt holes there? That's original. That would have been the original area, which you would have, if the vise was on this side, it would have conflicted with this right here. It was a problem. So I put on this side, and everything's makes it a little more complicated here, but I mean, when this is all tightened up, I mean, just makes everything more handy. Everything's right here, not to be pissing around back here, right? So, everything's at hand, for a milling machine, using both your hands, right? So, screwing around back here, it just wouldn't be very good. So, yeah, so it's kind of cool. I still have to finish it up. I'm going to adjust this a little bit better here so it slides freely. And you mount it to the base. Something like this, you actually want to have it as close to the bottom as possible, because when you're milling, you get a lot of vibration, right? So what I've had to do is I've had to, this comes off quite easily. I'm not quite done yet, but I'm going to have to machine this here, take a little piece out of here, or out of here, whatever you do, or put blocks in here to keep it flat, and have this on there, right? So to keep it flat. I mean, I could mount it to the base. There's always some crazy people around all the time. You could mount it to this here, but then the problem is the shaft. This is maxed out here. Put a little piece in here, piece of tubing. I'm not sure if this is going to work. I may still have to tap put a little tap in here in the body and put a stud in there so it locks this in here and it keeps it from shaking. But we'll see. Might have to do it anyway, right? So anyway, you're probably wondering, oh, just keep the shaft up in there. But then, if this base is up here, right, and then you're gonna get vibration, and not so good for milling machine, because milling machine get a lot of vibration, right? So it's better doing it this way. And you're probably wondering why I didn't flip this base around, because the problem is I can't get it low enough. If this is flipped this way up here, then it can't get low enough, right? So it'd be higher, and then this has to come up a bit. So try to get the maxed out on the drive, and the lowest point on the lowest possible point. And I like this system because I can still swivel it wherever I want, right? And to tighten it, it'll tighten up some tight, and it won't move, right? So, but it's nice to have it so it swivels so it's out of the way and whatever, right? So it's just a nice option. But just don't have enough travel. I got about 2 inches of travel on the shaft here, so it's a problem. So, anyways, I'll post up a little video of that. Been working on it, working on it, and try to get it as close as possible to where I want it to be. So, yeah, fiddly farty stuff. I always like fiddly farty projects. Seem to acquire them. That's something in the corner there too to show you guys. But anyways, this is just a short little video of making your own milling machine. Very affordable. And just remember, if you get this set up here with this kind of vise, you have to tap the holes on this side. Retap them, so you're to tighten your project, it'd be on here. I mean, you could do it with this, tighten the vise here, but then it's going to hit here. You're not going to have enough travel. See this right here? Now, a guy can do a little fiddly farty thing, which I like to do a lot of. I'm always doing little fiddly farty things. People who know me, know me from other channels, know I like to build small scale stuff. So, yeah, it's kind of tight, but yeah, so I wanted, if you guys want to put a small little piece in there, I guess at least the guy can do it now. Before he couldn't, didn't have enough because it's hitting here. All right. So anyways, that's a little tip of the day when you're getting this kind of setup. Anyways, just do these kind of things and you'll be a lot happier doing it this way. If you have any questions about building a cheap milling machine, put in the comments below. There's millions of videos about it, but just something to think about. If you're getting this vise, you need to change the way that the crank is. You retap it on this side so everything's in front of you. Just like that. Okay. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.